how to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. Now, if you've been wondering how to add multiple audio tracks to your Instagram Reels, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First things first, open your Instagram app and swipe right and go to the Reels section. From here, you can either choose from your gallery or you can also use the capture button. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using the capture button. After you finish capturing, click on next. You choose from your gallery or you can also use the click on edit video. Now after that, click on tap to add audio. Here you can choose various songs, whichever you like, or you can also search for the specific song. Now let me show you. After that, simply what you need to do is click on, if you want to put the full audio, you can choose it, but I want to split it or choose up to this one. Now I want to add the next audio like this. And I want to simply put it over here. You can also add another music as well like this by clicking on add audio again, and you can adjust the section and everything, and that's how you add multiple songs in a Instagram reel. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.